I am Pankaj Malik from Iotaflow, New Delhi, India. Team Iotaflow. We manufacture flow meters to measure consumption of utilities, mainly by commercial and industrial consumers. I started business 30 years ago. Day starts with morning meeting, 30 minutes. 15 minutes doing 3S, 15 minutes doing improvement. So we are investing 1 hour daily back on our people, and the results are for everybody to see in the company. They are able to do the work now in 7 hours, which used to take 12 hours. Lean is a great tool for sales as well. It helps us differentiate ourselves in the marketplace.
We have reduced our inventory to almost half. Along with the increase in sales, our inventory turns are now almost 6 from a paltry 2. We are always trying to do things first time right. An idea from Norm that last person touching the product is responsible for quality has helped us immensely. We have eliminated overproduction. Team Iotaflow is happy as they have a sense of belongingness now. I'm striving to achieve a work environment where Team Iotaflow enjoys coming back on Monday and every day.